How to correctly set up Peacock TV on Roku. Here's how to quickly set up Peacock TV on your Roku device. Start by turning on your Roku and pressing the home button on your remote. Scroll down and select Streaming Channels, then choose Search Channels. Type in Peacock TV, then select it from the list and click Add Channel. Once it installs, press OK, then go to the home screen and launch the Peacock TV app. Now either sign in with your existing Peacock account or choose Sign Up to create a free or premium account, however you wish. After signing in, you'll see the full Peacock interface. Use your remote to browse movies, shows, or live channels. If prompted for a code, go to peacocktv.com/activate on your phone or computer, then log in and enter the code shown on your Roku screen on your TV. Once you are verified, your Roku is linked and you're ready to stream, and that's how you correctly set up Peacock TV on Roku. Thanks for watching.